Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 2, Section 2 would like to present about phase shift oscillator that we learned in subject DEKE 1213 Analog Electronics. First, let me introduce our group members. Firstly, Cik Nazmi bin Cik Rahim. Second is me, Naadila binti Osman. Third is Muhammad Kashful Haq bin Ahmad. And lastly, Raja Danish Daniel bin Raja Muhammad Arifin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kashfuhat. I will talk about introduction. Phase shift oscillator is a linear electronic oscillator circuit that produces a sine wave output. It consists of a everything amplifier element such as a transistor or OM with its output feedback to its input through a phase shift network consisting of resistor and capacitor in a ladder network. Phase shift oscillator are also the oscillators that generate a stable sinusoidal signal at the output. Basically, the circuit has an amplifier unit like transistor or OM along with a feedback network comprising of resistor and capacitor. This is a circuit diagram.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. My name is Raja Danish Daniel and I will continue on operation of the circuit. The voltage gain around the positive feedback loop must be greater than 1 so that the amplitude of the output can build up to a desired level for oscillation to begin. The gain must then decrease to 1 so that the output stays at the desired level and oscillation is sustained. The RC phase shift oscillators basically consist of an amplifier and a feedback network. The feedback network consists of resistors and capacitors arranged in cascade to produce oscillations. For a circuit to act as an oscillator, certain criteria is needed to be satisfied. This criterion is called Burghausen criteria. The resistor and other components form a common emitter-inverting amplifier. In this circuit, the bipolar junction transistor is given a voltage divider bias and it acts as a load. The RE resistor provides thermal stabilization. The capacitor CE is called the bypass capacitor as it is used to bypass frequencies component produced at the emitter terminal to the ground. Next, when the VCC is provided, any circuit imbalance could produce small base current and this will be amplified at the collector terminal with an 180-degree phase shift. The collector terminal is connected with 3 phase shift networks, which is RC, which produce approximately 60-degree phase shift each, and to their combined effect produces another 180-degree phase shift. The last resistor R is connected to the base of the amplifier. This acts as the feedback path, so that the signal feedback from the phase shift stage is now 360 degrees phase shift different, or in phase with the input, hence the Burghausen criterion 1 is satisfied.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Naadila binti Osman and I want to explain about the important formula in phase shift oscillator. The frequency of oscillation is given by F0 equal to 1 over 2 pi RC square root 2n, where R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R. C1 equal to C2 equal to C3 equal to C, and F0 is the oscillator's output frequency, R is the feedback resistance in ohms, C is the feedback capacitance in farads, and N is the number of RC feedback stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cik Nazmi bin Cik Rahim and I will present to you the applications of phase shift oscillator. Okay, the first one is fed phase shift oscillator is used for generating signals over a wide frequency range. So that means it provides a bigger signals wide frequency. The second one is that this oscillator can be used to make some musical instruments like trumpet and xylophone. And the third one is used for in our daily life which is Global Positioning System, GPS. So it can help us to find our destination. And the last one is like technologies industries such as voice synthesis. This oscillator can be used in voice synthesis, like in advanced technology. Okay, so these are the references that my group used to make our report. The first one is retrieved from Circuits and Diagram Electronic Project and Design. The second one is Watt Electronics RC Phase Oscillator. The third one is all about electronics and electrical retrieve. And the fourth one is Tech Advisor, Tech Reviews, News, and the last one is Innovation and Technology Today. So that's all from our group. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our presentation.